this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to use Stremio with VLC. So let's get started. Now this is so easy to do. So what you have to do first of all is obviously download the VLC app, okay? So right now I'm on Mac, so I'm just gonna download VLC app for Mac. So just go ahead and download it from there. And then once you've downloaded it, you should go to your launchpad and make sure that the VLC app is right there. And similarly, if you're on Windows, it should be even easier to download the VLC app. So once that is done, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna head over to your Stremio. Now on Stremio, first of all, you can just go ahead and open any show. So I'm just gonna open this show, let's say. Okay. Now once it's open, what you have to do is you have to right click on the screen, okay? Right click, and you're gonna see here an option which says watch on VLC. So just click on that, just wait for it, and there you go. The whole episode which was on my Stremio is now opened on VLC, and that's how easy it is to stream from Stremio and put the output on VLC. So alright guys, I hope that this video was helpful for you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.